Hi everyone, today we will look another part of chapter 6 of linear inequalities in two variables, that is determine and shape the region that satisfy a linear inequality. So now you can refer your textbook at page 162, example 5. Shape the region that represents each of the following inequalities. This is the diagram given for part A. The equalities is y greater. How you identify greater? Okay, just put a line. So becomes greater lah. You can look the letter B, besar. Y greater than 2 over 3x plus 2. So the diagram already given to you, and the line for y equal 2 over 3x plus 2 is also drawn. So what you must do, you just identify which is the region that represents these equalities. So you can see this is greater. So we look from that line, okay, either it goes up or you must go down, okay, go up or go down. So if go down means less, okay, go down means is less. So what you must do, this is greater, so you shape the upper part, okay, greater kita shape, okay, we shape the upper part, bahagian atas. Okay, remember, so when shape, you just draw a line like this lah. Okay, no need to go and shape, blacken it, no need. Okay, tak perlu hitamkan, just take your ruler, you draw the line, you shape. Tak perlu hitamkan, dorek sahaja. So next we look part B. Y, this is, we put a line, we can look here the letter K, y less equal x minus 1. So if greater, we shape the upper part, less we shape the down part here lah, the lower part here. Okay, so you just shape. The line is already drawn, y equal to x minus 1. So what is your what you must do is you just shape the region. Okay, y equal to x minus 1. Next, y, this is what? Y less than 1. So when less than 1, okay, the line y equals to 1 is already drawn. Okay, so horizontal line. This is the coordinate for y equals to 1. So what you must do, you shape. Okay, you shape. This is less. So less means the down part, bahagian bawah, okay, of that line, you shape. This is how we shape. Okay, next for part D. Okay, for part D, y greater equal. Okay, you can see the word B there. Okay, greater equal negative 2x plus 2. So greater, you look from this line, it must goes up. Okay, kena naik ke atas like this, huh? Naik ke atas. So is this region. Okay, from the line, it must goes up. Okay, this is going up like this. Okay, so you just shape the region. Next, for part E, okay, x greater, okay, greater than negative 3. So this is the line x equal to negative 3. Yeah? How you know? Because passing through negative 3 here. Okay, this is negative 3 here. So passing through -3 is the line x equal to -3. So you want greater, so greater must be on the right side here. So you shade greater. Okay, use your ruler. Use your pencil. Okay, make sure when drawing time, use pencil to draw and shade. Then for part F, okay, also y greater than -2. So this is your -2 here for y. So they want greater, nah? Greater ialah bahagian atas. You shade here. Okay, this is easy because the diagram is already given. You just have to identify the shaded which region to shade. Next, we can look at example 6. Draw the graph and shade the region that represents each of the following inequalities. So you can see here, part A, y less equal 2x plus 3. Okay, this is less equal. So what you must do, okay, you have to draw the graph first. Before you draw the graph, you have to find two coordinates. Okay, here they use -2 and 2. Okay, -2 and 2. So they use -2. So you want to use other coordinate also can. For example, you want to use 0. That means 2 times 0 plus 3. You also can. So you will get the coordinate is y equals to 3. So the coordinate is 0, 3. Or you want to find when x equal to 1, also can. Here they use -2 and 2. Okay, when x -2 and when x equals to 2. Then after that, you plot that point. You draw the graph. Okay, plot these 2 points. Or just now is 0, 3. 0, 3 is here. You can plot here. So you just find any 2 points, then you join that 2 points. Become a straight line. After that, you find which region that you want to shade. So here's less, that means going down. Okay, going down like this. This is the last part. Okay, going down. Okay, bergerak ke bawah. Last. Okay, next for part B, okay, the equality is given y greater than x plus 5. So you must know, okay, this is greater. So you want to draw a straight line, you need two coordinates. Okay, you have to remember, no? You need two coordinates. So here, you can take, okay, the easiest lah. Always the easiest will be x equals to 0. So y equals to 0 plus 5. So you get 5. This is how you substitute into the equation above. Another one is they substitute when x -5. So y equal to -5. Sorry, x equal to -5. So that means y equal to -5 plus 5. So -5 plus 5, you get 0. Okay, then you plot these two coordinates. Okay, plot these two coordinates. Okay, you have 0, 5 here and -5, 0. Okay, we draw the dotted line. Okay, draw the dotted line here. Why dotted line? Because you don't have the equal sign. For part A, you have equal sign, so it's a continuous line. Here, you don't have equal sign, so it's a dotted line. Then you identify which region, the greater part. Okay, this is how we do. Then for part C, y less equal to x. Okay, same thing. You find two points. Okay, two coordinates. Here -2, -4, and 2, 4. Then you draw the straight line. Then after that, they said less. So you shade the lower part lah. The less part, bahagian bawah. Then for part D, x minus y greater than 4. So in this case, please change the subject first, nah? Because we want to know which region. Okay, always make the subject just y. Okay, how you change? Okay, what you can do? Okay, either you bring first x to the other side, so it becomes -y greater than 4 minus x. Then after that you change x minus 4. Can do like this. Okay, then only you find two coordinates lah. Okay, you find two coordinates, then you draw the line. Then you know this is less, so this is less. So less is the down part here. Okay, at first it was greater. Okay, nampak nah pada awalnya simbol equalities ialah greater. But when you change the subject, because di sini ialah negative y. Okay, when you change the subject to positive y, okay, it becomes less. Okay, so that's why you have to change the subject to positive y to identify the region. Next for part E, okay, y equals to 0 is the x-axis. Okay, you have learned in the before this now. Okay, this is y equals to 0. So they want the greater part is here. This is the greater part. So you shade the greater part. Then for the last one, f x less than 4, okay, this is the line. Okay, this is x equal to 4. So the line passing through x equals to 4 and less. Less means on the left side. Okay, so that's all for today. So thank you for watching.